Damn, is that how my hair looks? Yeah. Is that better? Yeah. It's winter here in India, and it's not really cold, but turns out that you can get oranges real cheap at this time of the year. So here's what we are going to do. I'm going to buy myself a couple of kilograms of fresh oranges, and I'm going to make myself a jar of marmalade. Let's see how it goes. So, hour and a half later, this is how much I got. I'm guessing about 250 milliliters. And yeah, I will keep these refrigerated, of course, and they last well over 6 months at least. And now, if you'll excuse me, so yeah, I gotta tell you, it tastes really nice, and that's all the time I have for you in this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.